Thousands of Jamaicans from all walks of life turned up in Clarendon and St. Catherine to see the test run of the passenger train. The 6-coach train, painted in the Jamaican colors, was warmly greeted by those who saw it and rode it. In Maypen, Bogwalk, Linstead, Spanish Town, and along the way, hundreds turned out to wave at and glimpse the mode of transport which has not been seen in Jamaica since 1992. Cars even slowed down to see the train roll by. Camera phones and waves were in abundance. For those who remembered what it was like back in the day, it was nostalgic.
I feel really good. I'm rejoicing in my soul. I didn't really miss it. Yes, man. Alright, you have to take it from Clarendon to Kingston. And from Kingston back to Clarendon, from Spanish Town to town. I usually to take it. Traveling on it often, I'll go to Port Antonio. My sister was living in Port Antonio and I always take the train go there. Yes, man, so it's a pleasure for it to be back.
For the young, their first time was exciting.
It's spectacular. I enjoy it, even though it's bouncy, but I enjoyed it very, very much. So it's my first time on it, but I actually love it anyway. I'm enjoying it so far.
Ministers of government praised the resumption for the practical and cultural benefits it will bring.
This is a signal achievement for the government. The return of rail service in any country is viewed as significant. I'm here today to endorse it, to see for myself the facilities, and to encourage our students to take the rail. It is going to be far more economical, and it will get you to school in a timely fashion. We will be able to have much closer supervision of the rail service than we do with privately operated transportation in the public sector. I believe that this is a major achievement for Jamaica.
This is also a part of our heritage. It is an important rail line. There are a number of things that are very symbolic and historic. And in fact, the Jamaica National Heritage Trust has completed an inventory of the areas that are of particular importance to our heritage. In Spanish Town, for example, we have one of the oldest sections of the rail service still up and running. So today for me, it's not only traveling on the rail that is now another alternative to travel, but it's also a cultural experience for me, and it is for a number of other purposes.
For the day, the rail service brought Jamaicans of all persuasions to see the train make its way across Jamaica's rustic countryside. Minister Mike Henry, who has been touting the benefits of the rail service, was reflective at the end. He hopes what he and other Jamaicans have been dreaming about is fulfilled.
Very reflective. Important that I reflect on what I see along the route, and that we can make the run, and that we can begin to develop, and with the help of the people we'll move it to the next level. And to let the people know what the economic benefits that will flow by opening back up the communication, allowing children to travel more safely, allowing people to travel more on time. And therefore, I am fairly satisfied with what we have done. We now can move to begin to improve what is left to be done, the stations to be rehabilitated, coaches to be improved, because all we have done is revive what we had, which we were told we needed to have done